We got one. We get the money. We get the money. We get the moolah. We get the moolah. We get the peso. We get the peso. We get the netto. We get the netto. We get the skrilla. We get the skrilla. We hit the lotto. We hit the lotto. We get the bread.
Okay guys, so I'm starting off with 2 things of yarn of my choice, my preferable choice, and 2 things of the twine. And I already have my tire clean and wrapped with a different type of rope just to support for the fabric that'll be on top of this, on top of the Ottoman. And I also have a hot glue gun. Okay guys, so I just put like a little smidget, like a little dot of my hot glue gun and put it right there. The twine is like really thin, so we're gonna see how this comes out. Y'all just stay tuned. Okay, so the idea is to go all the way around to the top with the twine, and it looks like it's actually going to be okay. Just really precise as far as me putting the hot glue on to the rope and adhering it to the twine. Hey guys, I'm just giving you guys an update on this piece that I have been creating. I'm almost finished. Well, really, I'm actually pretty finished. I only have just like a little bit of this showing here, so that's what I'm gonna go ahead and complete. I was actually thinking to do a little bit more on the ends right here, but if I do, I'll let you guys know. But for right now, this is how everything looks. I hope you guys are really enjoying this video. This is me just coming to show you guys my finished product. I decided to just use it as a little stool or a prompt for this basket that I got from Ross, which is freaking awesome. Okay, it's very cute, very detailed, and it matches my front room perfectly. But enough of the basket, let's look at this ottoman. Okay, so the top part of my ottoman is from yarn. Okay, you guys, I mentioned that earlier in my video. I actually do a little shopping with you guys and show you what type of yarn that I got. So this is how the end is looking. I actually didn't finish all the way to the bottom, but I felt like it was unnecessary because when you're actually looking at it, you can't even really notice that the bottom is done. So I hope you guys have really enjoyed this video. Let me know what other DIYs that you guys would like for me to do. Let me just take this basket off top so you guys can see it. So this is what it looks like without the basket on top.